Hello and welcome. With dozens of dividend videos now below our belt, we combed through all our comments in the comments section and we noticed that most dividend investors agree on a handful of stocks. These are the stocks that our followers mention most of the time when they comment. The mentions of these stocks have also increased in this market downturn, so we decided to make a video about it. Most of these dividend stocks are blue-chip exceptional stocks with dozens of years of dividend growth, wide economic moat in their sectors, sound fundamentals, and impeccable history of paying dividends. Please note that many great stocks are missing from this list because they are not close to their 52-week low at this time. For instance, J&J is a dividend king and an exceptional stock, but it is not on this list because it is nowhere close to its all-time 52-week low. To show respect and appreciation of your time, let's get right to it. Disclaimer: these are all my opinions and not to be considered financial or investing advice. This video and all our videos are for entertainment purposes only. Number 7. Intel Corporation. Ticker symbol INTC. Current share price of $37.38. Current dividend rate of 3.87%. For investors, that's 37 cents per share a quarter or $1.48 per share a year. Intel has a payout ratio of 28.43%. 5-year dividend growth rate of 6.25%. Intel is very close to the all-time low of $36.61. Intel has grown their dividend for 8 years. Number 6. JP Morgan Chase. Ticker symbol JPM. Current share price of $116.12. Current dividend rate of 3.45%. For investors, that's $1 per share a quarter or $4 per share a year. JP Morgan has a payout ratio of 29.35%. JP Morgan pays out in the months of January, April, July, and October of every year. JP Morgan is very close to the all-time low of $111.89. 5-year dividend growth rate of 14.99%. JP Morgan has grown their dividend for 9 years. Number 5. Starbucks Corporation. Ticker symbol SBUX. Current share price of $74.75. Current dividend rate of 2.67%. For investors, that's 49 cents per share a quarter or $1.96 per share a year. Starbucks has a payout ratio of 57.83%. Starbucks pays out in the months of March, May, August, and November of every year. Starbucks is very close to the all-time 52-week low of $68.39. 5-year dividend growth rate of 15.11%. Starbucks has grown their dividend for 12 years. Number 4. T.ROWE Price Group Inc. Ticker symbol TROWE. Current share price of $111.59. Current dividend yield of 4.37%. For investors, that's $1.20 per share a quarter or $4.80 per share a year. T.ROWE has a payout ratio of 35.89%. T.ROWE pays out in the months of March, June, September, and December of every year. T.ROWE is very close to the all-time low of $104.75. 5-year dividend growth rate of 15.48%. T.ROWE has grown their dividend for 36 years. As we move along, I would like to gauge the value we are providing you here by humbly asking you to smash that like button and give us a subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. We'll give you a few seconds to like and subscribe. Thank you so kindly. Now let's move on. Number 3. Leggett and PLATT. Ticker symbol LEG. Current share price of $34.59. Current dividend rate of 5.08%. For investors, that's 44 cents per share a quarter or $1.76 per share a year. LEGGETT has a payout ratio of 60%. LEGGETT pays out in the months of January, April, July, and October of every year. LEGGETT is very close to the all-time 52-week low of $33.19. 5-year dividend growth rate of 4.26%. LEGGETT has grown their dividend for 52 years. Number 2. Target, ticker symbol TGT, current share price of $141.88. Current dividend yield of 2.99%. For investors, that's $1.08 per share a quarter or $4.32 per share a year. Target has a payout ratio of 28.05%. Target pays out in the months of March, June, September, and December of every year. Target is very close to the all-time low of $138.59. 5-year dividend growth rate of 8.45%. Target has grown their dividend for 54 years. Target 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500 hands down. We noticed you still haven't liked, subscribed, or turned on the notification bell. Please kindly encourage us if you've gotten some value from this presentation. Your like and subscribe will help us know that you like content like this. Please join our community and be a part of our growth here on Wealthlisticles. Thank you. Now let's move on. Number 1. LOWE'S Companies Incorporated. Ticker symbol LOW. Current share price of $174.17. Current dividend rate of 2.44%. For investors, that's $1.05 per share a quarter or $4.20 per share a year. LOWE'S has a payout ratio of 26.08%. LOWE'S pays out in the months of February, May, August, and November of every year. LOWE'S is very close to the all-time low of $170.12. 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.98%. LOWE'S 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500 hands down. LOWE'S has grown their dividend for 58 years, which makes them the leading dividend king on this list. That's it. We just can't list them all. Remember, all we do is bring you the lists for entertainment. It is your duty to do your own due diligence and/or consult an expert and invest your hard-earned money wisely. Please don't leave us without smashing the like button and give us a subscribe. Think of it as a tip for my hard work. I will greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer: please note that I showcased these stocks for educational purposes only and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do your own due diligence and/or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance. And please excuse all errors and omissions.